left these. I had to go back in town, so part of the sewing thing. But anyway, the lace, part 2 of Saturday. Look at that. I hadn't had a chance to look at it. The prices on these are definitely old. Per yard, 90 cents per yard. Neat. Oh, 13 cents a yard, definitely old. 3 yards left, maybe. I'm not sure if I can go trust those. Trim styles. It's a wide one. This is 2 yards. 17 cents a yard. Another wide one. Double on that. Yeah, there we go. Well, good bit on this one. Oh, isn't that neat? I like this one. A black one. That's a good bit of lace. I got that for not trusting my memory now. I have to remember. I could have swore I had that box in the car. But I think what happened was I was picturing where I was going to put it. And then it got moved on me while I was putting other stuff in it. And I forgot both of these. I left both of these behind because they weren't in the location. So maybe all my fault, maybe not entirely all my fault, partially my fault. I did the check in the auction to make sure I had everything. And we had a hard time finding the shark's teeth because it was put inside the black tray, so we didn't see it. It's black on black. I like that with the little, looks like a ribbon's in there, but it's not. And this was $5 for this whole box. And then there's some scrap fabrics. Satin, white, off-white. You never know what you're going to find. And sometimes it's just junk. But one person's junk is another person's treasure, right? But I gotta stop this. It looks like someone was starting a quilt. Ugh, don't know where my glasses are. Around the edgings. I actually have been wanting some more of these. I got some things I want to work on. Hot rolls. In case you've never... When I was first given one of these, I had no idea what the heck I was supposed to do with it. It goes in a basket or bowl. And then you put the rolls or bread. And then you cover it that way. Looks like a bigger version. Yeah. So... All by herself book. I used to do those for the kids when they were little doilies. Placemat. Another one. Not sure. I like things like this. Looks like a floss embroidery. I've never seen one like this in the store. Here's the 4th one of these, and it's damaged, I think. So it needs... That's not going to take much to fix that. But there's no pockets. So I will fix that. Not an issue. I like the pattern. And some sort of blanket. It's wool. I'm putting that in the washing machine, but not the dryer. A lap blanket, a pet blanket, I don't know. So that one was $5. And I was going for, I saw this folded in there, so I knew what that was when I saw the sides. And it had some other things, and it actually had, this came with this, not the tea baskets. I was confused because the way the image was. So now I got everything. Been a full day. Tomorrow I get to stay home somewhere, play with it. I'm gonna do some research on those on these tins, tea tins. Look how nice the outside should look. More like that. It looks like they had it over where they would smoke fire, not cigarettes. Cigarette smoke, yellow, dingy, but this looks like it's near a fire. Oh, looks like some tea's in there. No, I'm not going to drink that. But I think I can do some things to fix that a little bit, to where it's not going to deteriorate more. I may put a little cloth in here. So I think that's really neat. I like unusual things like this. I think this will make a great gift too. I would enjoy someone giving me this and telling me what the heck it is and how to use it. So, I don't know what this metal is. Tin, but it could be a little rusty. So if I put tea in here, it would be in a plastic baggie or a wax paper, just to make sure that's safe. This one's imprinted on the bottom. Can't make it. I don't have my glasses on. Product. I think it's product of China. Look at that. Nope, upside down. Sorry. So I'm gonna have fun with all this. Welcome to my madness.